18 medical numbers in the life of every human being that you should know. 1. Blood pressure, 120/80. 2. Pulse, 70 to 100. 3. Temperature, 36.8 to 37. 4. Respiration, 12 to 16. 5. Hemoglobin, males, 13.50 to 18. Females, 11.50 to 16. 6. Cholesterol, 130 to 200. 7. Potassium, 3.50 to 5. 8. Sodium, 135 to 145. 9. Triglycerides, 220. 10. The amount of blood in the body, PCB 30 to 40%. 11. Sugar, for children, 70 to 130. Adults, 70 to 115. 12. Iron, 8 to 15 milligrams. 13. White blood cells, 4,000 to 11,000. 14. Platelets, 150,000 to 400,000. 15. Red blood cells, 4.50 to 6 million. 16. Calcium, 8.6 to 10.3 mg/dl. 17. Vitamin D3, 20 to 50 nanograms/ml, nanograms per milliliter. 18. Vitamin B12, 200 to 900 pg/ml.